January 2023, the Government of India approved the National Green Hydrogen Mission. A vision was set to transform the nation into a global powerhouse for green hydrogen. Atmanirbharta se Vishw Manch Tak, Bharat's green tech rise. One name answered the call, L&T, the builders to the nation. From icons of infrastructure and industry to the technologies that secure India's tomorrow, the nation's builders stepped forward as India's clean energy catalyst. L&T moved from vision to action, with Hazira rising to the challenge. Here, a world-class research lab took shape, built to master materials at the nanoscale. An army of scientists set out to deliver breakthroughs. An ecosystem began taking shape across the nation. Thousands of green jobs opened up. Millions more are set to follow. With high-tech world-class manufacturing at giga-scale, indigenous, innovative and truly Indian, technology became a force. The factory became a lighthouse. From here emerged India's own electrolyzer champion. From plants to ports, India's hydrogen chapter begins here. Intent turned into action. Now, action delivers impact. Green hydrogen cuts emissions at scale. Energy becomes cleaner. Growth becomes stronger. Technology is indigenized. Import dependence reduces. Capability resides in India. And with it, energy security improves. India moves from ambition to achievement, from self-reliance to global confidence. And at the heart of this shift stands Hazira, leading the way as the nation's own global hub of electrolyzer technology. This is Atmanirbharta se Vishw Manch Tak, Bharat's green tech rise.